If you want them to, a certain section to turn off or a certain section to turn on, you can schedule that here in the schedule page. And so I will just do a short video here of how to do that. Okay, so here is a quick example of how to have this function properly on the schedule page. And in order to do that, I'm just going to set up a test here to make sure that this works. So I'm going to click the orange plus button here. It is now 3:18 p.m. What I will do is I'm going to select for my preset to be Christmas 1, and I want this test to work here. So it's 3:18, so let's set this up here for let's do 3:21, just to kind of give my system enough time to get set up. So what I'll do is I'll select 15:21 there, click save, and it will say, this could take up to 30 seconds. I say, I understand, no problem. And this will reboot my system. And so you'll see here on my house that they will change to orange, which is the default color for rebooting your system. Okay, now, so my system is being rebooted. And as you can see at 3:21 today, all my lights are going to turn on to Christmas 1. Now, let's say, for example, I want my top section to be off and I just want the bottom section to be on. So what I'll do is I'll click the orange plus button, select a preset, and I'm going to have my top section to turn off. So I'll select off top section. I will select a time. And one thing that's really important to note is you want this event to be 1 minute later than you originally set it, or at least a minute later. So I'll do 3:22 here for my top section to be off. I'm going to click save. Make sure I'm checking my watch here that I'm setting this up with enough time. My lights will kind of flash again. They will reboot. And once this page has gone away, you'll see here that I have Christmas 1 to come on at 3:21 and my top section to come off at 3:22. Now, what I'll also do is just make sure that all the lights turn off, and I'm going to set that for 3:23. So I'll go here to go to my preset, all off, and I will select that here for 15:33. There we go. Click save. I understand. There you go. And so you'll see now at 3:22, my top section has turned off and the bottom section has stayed on, which is fantastic. Well, oops, I just realized that it says 3:33 and it wasn't set to 3:23. Silly me. So if I click play here, on the all off section there on my schedule, you'll see it turned all the lights off. And so that is what was supposed to happen there. But if you have any questions about that, please reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to assist you with this. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.